Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So a very quick update for my e-commerce journey, and if you just came across to this video, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel I talk a lot about how to make money online, the method and the strategy, so consider subscribing if that is your jam. Alright, so let's dive right into our content. So if I'm not mistaken, the last video that I updated is I'm showing you this ad campaign over here, So if I'm mistaken, I got one sale previously in my previous video, and this campaign went pretty good. So I was able to get another 3 additional sales, and then after that what I did was I scale up the campaign. I copy the exact same interest, and I was be able to get another 3 more sales here, right? So by far the key point here is I'm pretty much already get the interest that really proven, the interest that convert very well, and then I end up with another 2 copy of this campaign. All right. But unfortunately, as you can see here, my account was disabled. Right, so this is a very frustrating. Initially I thought I was follow all the policy, but when I have a conversation with the ad representative, Facebook ad representative, I think the thumbnail of my videos wasn't right. So that is, I think, mainly the reasons why my account got disabled. I forgot that Facebook doesn't allow the before and after thumbnail, and I think that is the main reason why my account suspended. Alright, so but the most important thing is the interest. I'm pretty satisfied with the interest because the interest convert very well. Okay. And another worst case is not only I got my account disabled, I also not be able to copy or to transfer my pixel from this account to my new account. That is very frustrating as well. So I'm currently running another campaign, the same product, but in my new account, but I couldn't get the pixel from this account to transfer to my new account. So let me show you my new account. So I'm currently running 2 campaigns, and as you can tell, this is the exact same setting from the previous account, and I already got 1 sale. So the interest is really good, and it's convert very well, right? So now I try to copy the ads campaign, and I'm going to see how it's going to turn out, right? So by far that is pretty much it. So maybe after this I'm going to do another split test within the same interest, but I'm going to test about the copy ad and the ad creative, and also the video, and maybe I'm going to change the location targeting as well, and etc. So I hope I'm going to get more sales with this new ad account. So by far I got, I think, 7 to 8 additional sales from my previous video. So I hope I could get more sales in my next video. Right, so thanks for watching. That's all. It's very quick update for you, and I hope you learned something here. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up as well. Alright, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.